Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 5 amazing iPhone hacks that I believe you must try on your iPhone. These are actually pretty cool and very easy to do on your device. All you need is just to follow a few simple steps that I will show you guys in this video, and you can get these awesome hacks on your iPhone. Now we're starting with the first one, and I will show you guys how to hide the dock's background from any wallpaper that you have on your iPhone. Now when it comes to hiding the dock on your iPhone, you probably have seen some special wallpapers that are created to do that, but I will show you guys how to do that with any wallpaper that you want to use, and it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is just use Dockland. Now Dockland is this free app that you can install on your device, and you will have a few cool things you can do with your dock right here, but we're trying this one which will actually remove the dock's background. So you tap right here, and all you have to do now is tap the plus button and load the wallpaper that you want to use. So once you have loaded your wallpaper, this is what you will see right here. Tap on the use button, and now it will basically add this shade right there at the bottom, automatically picking the colors from the wallpaper, and you can see it actually looks really good. Now all what's left to do is tap the download button and save this under the camera roll. As you can see right here, it will give you 2 different versions. You can download it for your lock screen and home screen. The home screen one will be a bit different. You can see the outline of the dock right there. So you can just download one of them or both of them at your iPhone's library, and then just go ahead and set them up as wallpapers. So once you go to set this up as a wallpaper, all you have to do is just make sure that you're all the way zoom out like this, tap the add button, and make sure you go to customize home screen and remove the blur. And now all you have to do is just tap the done button. And as you can see right here, once you go back to your home screen, this is what you will see. How cool does that look? We have no background there at the dock. The home screen looks actually much better and even way cleaner by just removing the background from the dock. Now you probably have heard about an iPhone feature called battery intelligence. That's a pretty cool feature, supposed to come with iOS 18, but it didn't make it, and now we are waiting for the first beta of iOS 19 to see if Apple will add that feature. Well, you can kinda have that feature right now on your iPhone, and here's how it works. All you have to do is just go ahead and download a shortcut that will be linked right down below in the description of the video. Once you have that shortcut on your device, is this one right here called battery intelligence. All you have to do now is go to automations. Tap on new automation, and then go ahead and find charge right here, so that we have charge, and then tap on run immediately. Go ahead and tap the next button, and now you will see the shortcut right here. If you don't see the shortcut, of course you can go ahead and search it right there, but again, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the shortcut, and now you're good to go. And as you can see right here, once I'm on my device and I plug it into charge, it will let me know how much time do I need to actually charge my iPhone. So you can see once I plug it in, I will actually get a notification. Now the first time you do this, you will need to allow the notifications, and then every time you plug in your iPhone to charge, you will see a notification right there. So you can see, let's try this again. So there we have the notification, and it shows how much time we need to fully charge the iPhone. Another really cool thing you can do with the lock screen of your device is have your name displayed all the time on the lock screen, and that's also very easy to do. All you have to do is head onto your settings and go to focus. Go ahead and tap the plus button to create a new focus mode, and then tap on custom. Once you tap here, just go ahead and enter your name or whatever name you want to display on your lock screen right here where it says name. Now once you have done that, you can also pick an icon which will be displayed on your status bar, which is also pretty cool. And now tap the next button, tap on customize focus, and basically just leave everything like this. Don't add any filters or anything at all. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and invoke this. So go to focus right here, and then we have the one that we just created, this right here, and as you can see, we will now have our name displaying on the lock screen. There it goes. You will have your name right there, and it will be displayed all the time there. So this is a focus mode created just to display the name, and it won't actually have any other effect on your device. Now here's one really useful hack that you must know on your iPhone. When you're on the Notes app, you will have a ton of features. There are like a ton of features on the Notes app that most people don't actually know about. And here's one of them. So let's say I have a note here and I want to link a note here to any of the words that I have on this note. All I have to do is just select a word or a line, whatever I want, and tap on add link. And now I can go ahead and search for any of my notes right here. So there I have my notes. I can go ahead and tap right there, and now I have linked a note to this one. So while I'm on this note, I need that other note, I can just tap on that link and it will display me that note. So it's actually super useful. Now what you can do is also tap and hold that link that now you have created, and if you want to remove it, you can just remove it by tapping that button. Now here's another really cool thing you can do on your iPhone. Have something like this right here, a hidden widget. So here I have a really beautiful widget that will display the current battery and the time remaining on my battery right here. But if I just don't want to have it displayed all the time on my screen, I can just go ahead and hide it like this. So let's say I might have it somewhere else right here on my home screen, and I have created a setup to which I don't want to have like a bunch of widgets. I just want to have a clean screen. I can have a hidden widget like this one right here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and add the widget that you want to use on your home screen. So we can add one right here. So that we have that, let's say, calendar widget. Now you will have to use an app called MD Blank. I will leave it linked right down below in the description of the video. So you open that app and you will first need to actually take a screenshot of your home screen. So go ahead and take a screenshot just like this of the home screen. So you go to the edit mode and you swipe to the last page where there are no icons, just your dock. You take a screenshot here. And then you go to the app called MD Blank. So let's just go ahead and go to that app real quick. Then we have the app. Once you're here, actually what you need to do is go ahead and go to the settings and then tap right here. And make sure you tap here, and you load the screenshot you just took. Now once you have done that and you're on your home screen, you have the widget that you want to hide, you can just go ahead and add now the widget from MD Blank. So in this case, I want to hide a small widget, so we add the small widget for MD Blank. You choose the position where you want to place the widget, so right there on the top right. So we tap on MD Blank right here, tap on choose and tap on none, and then it says transparent position. Choose top right in this case. So all I have to do now is just drag this right here over that other one. Let me just try this. Okay. So there we go. Let's just place it right there. So here we have the calendar widget, but anytime I just want to hide it, I can swipe like that, and it's just like a blank screen. Anytime I need the widget, there it goes. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.